train where we do the generalized obedience, sit, down, place, heel, and working on that off-leash heel. So Tucker's owners let us know he has a few bad manners. He's just very hyper excited. He's still very young, but he does jump a lot. He counter surfs, and just really comes in too hot for a lot of people. All right, let's see what he knows. Tucker, come. Tucker, sit. Good, sit. Good boy. Tucker, down. No. Down. Tucker, sit. Tucker, sit. No, sit. Good boy. Down. Down. Okay. Halfway there. Okay. Nice. Good man. Okay. Good boy. Come. Good boy. Yeah. Okay, come. Come. All right, so you guys see about where we're at. Check back in 2 weeks.